Dog. Choose to be free. This is where you can discover the real you. You can speak your mind because this channel is for the youth and by the youth. And for that reason, we are here in Mumbai today to find out what the women of the city think of dating apps. Do you know of any dating apps?
Yes, I do. I don't like boys.
I've heard of Tinder truly madly.
I really don't understand them. I've heard that loner guys use them and they get people to date.
I don't think it's actually bad or something like that. It's their life.
I guess it should help someone who's single.
Why do you think women use these apps?
Basically to find the perfect partner. Maybe they are too willy. I don't know.
They are very alone in life and they want to do something.
Something?
Basic, as in physical, if you know what I mean.
I'm bored of my current life. So, I have heard about many of my friends. So let's try it.
Once a friend was like, your sister is on Tinder. And I'm like, what?
I don't know why a woman should go out and use that particular app. I can understand why men go out and use that app.
Why do you think men use dating apps?
Obvious.
What is obvious? Tell us.
Sex. Time pass करने.
Find out new girls.
लड़कियां ताड़ने के लिए.
They need somebody in life.
In real life, maybe they are not that confident that they will be able to communicate with girls.
They think that women are crazy. They are ready to do anything. You just get her drunk, get her done anything. Just
How will you get somebody drunk on a dating website?
meet up, go to tap. इतने सारे जगह हैं यहाँ पे, bars कितने हैं, lounges कितने हैं.
You may find many of married men also. And even if females tell that they are married, they are like, okay, fine, it's okay. We would prefer experienced ones.
Women are happy with one guy. Men want to explore their horizons.
Men's are pervert, to be honest.
I'm having one right beside me.
How much would you reveal about yourself on a dating app?
If you're like really interested in the guy, then you can. But then if he's like a little creepy, then I think you should know your limits.
We should actually reveal everything, I think. Age, weight, all those things.
Weight also can be lifted easily.
Her dad's salary. Or her salary.
Beta, you're in first year. What is the creepiest message that you probably got on a dating app?
I love you. Can you be my friend?
Can we meet?
Will you marry me? How can you do that?
Is your father a terrorist cause you are bombed? Are you a parking lot cause you have written fine all over you? And I'm like, okay.
He literally just put his ding dong in a jar or something and he just sent it to me. Just logged.
You meet somebody on Tinder and you go to meet them. Do you think that you should take certain safety precautions? And if yes, then what?
Don't let him touch you because, boys can get very touchy sometimes.
You should carry a pepper spray.
Mirchi powder. Wear decent clothes. बता के जाना चाहिए 3-4 दोस्तों को कि मैं यहाँ जा रही हूँ, इसके साथ जा रही हूँ. 3 घंटे में वापस नहीं आई तो फ़ोन कर लेना.
Talk properly and then if he's a creep, get out.
It depends on the area. It's too fucked
So
up.
the area. So Mira Road boy, you'll not meet, huh?
I live in Mira Road.
I'm sorry. What do women want on a dating app for men to do so that you get booed?
You should not be creepy. That's it. You should like all pictures and all. You should compliment.
It should be like him, a cutie.
I don't think you need a dating website, my friend.
Do it.
अगर मैं कहूँ कि आप आपके हिसाब से एक डेटिंग वेबसाइट डिजाइन कर सकते हो तो आप क्या डालोगे?
Video chatting or something like that.
You can't put fake pictures, like you can't upload pictures from Google.
Shouldn't lie about your looks and personality.
Do you guys think that it is better to meet people in real life or on a dating app?
Real life.
Real life.
People have been created for people. It's better if I meet you in person, see how beautiful you are, how beautiful I am.
It's okay to know that person on a dating website, but before taking any crucial decision, I would recommend that that person meets the guy and they date for a long time. Not 100% reliable, but you never know. You might find some gem of a person. You're dating someone?
No, I'm not.
Did you meet him on a dating app?
No.
Instagram. It's not a dating.
God.
You can just tell us what did he say that you liked?
He read my poems. I read his work. So.
First time when you went to meet him, did you take some safety precaution? Did you should I tell my friend?
I was too excited to meet him.
You were excited, and he met your expectations. He's cute and all.
Let's not go there.
The sun is setting over another day in Mumbai, and that signifies the end of another day. Well, we got a mixed bag of responses from the women that we spoke to today. Some of them gave dating apps a thumbs up, some of them gave dating apps a thumbs down, some of them swiped right, some of them swiped left. Tell us what you think by commenting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share and subscribe to Stray Dog.
Have you ever bought a condom?
No. नहीं अभी तक नहीं.
Never.
Never.
Can I say no comments? Yeah, I have. It was just a dare. So he challenged me that you can't buy a condom. So I bought it and I showed it to him and I threw it off.
When I say Mumbai, what is the one thing that comes in your mind straight direct जो hit करता है?
food on time. Crowded.
Crowded. दिल्ली crowded नहीं है.
Better यार.
Gateway of India.
Gateway of India. Bollywood.
Cool nightlife and people are not so judgmental there. People are very cool there.
Beaches, Shah Rukh Khan, and my favorite actors are there.